to be yummy. You will need a glass bowl, some mini eggs, cake cups and some chocolate and a wooden spoon and some cornflakes. First job, we need to break up the chocolate. Let's give us both the same amount. Let it go, there you go. I love this. Shall I do it for you? Yeah. Then you can do it from the twos. I'll make you some twos. I can't do it. There's one. There's some twos. Mommy, can I have one? Please. Put the chocolate on the hob to melt. Shall we do it together? I think, can you hold Leon? This is the best. Oh no, I need your help. It's a bit hard, I can't hold for long. It's nearly ready. Wow, it's nearly ready. I bet I have some. Yeah, I want to have some. It's like Nutella, but it will dry up. Now we're going to put some handfuls of the cornflakes into the chocolate. It looks like Nutella. Can we have a taste? Yeah. I'm enjoying eating. Now we're going to stir it. Yum, yum, yum. I want some. I want some of that chocolate. That's it. When, Mummy, now? When? Now we are going to put the cornflakes in and then put 2 mini eggs on. I'm hiding mine. Oh, you are making a surprise one. Me too, I might make a surprise one too. Push mine in. This is the one where you need to find your egg. Just like in the soaps. Now we're going to leave them to set. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye!